Hey guys, my name is Ramon Valles for Así Comemos Aquí, and today I'm in Azalea Park in this Puerto Rican food truck where they're serving something a little different. This is called a Puerto Rican dumpling. It doesn't look like your regular dumpling, but trust me guys, it is. This comes from the area of Ponce, Puerto Rico, and what it is, it's a special piece of fried sweet bread. They fry it up, they open it, and they put in some awesome filling. And this one is filled with beeftrami. What is beeftrami? It's a mix of pastrami and bistec, what we call bistec. Or you can call it beef or steak or whatever. They take the thinly sliced beef, they put it on the flat grill, they put the pastrami, they cut it up, they put some mayo ketchup inside of the fried dough, a little bit of lettuce, and they fill it up with all that meaty goodness. And right now it's time for me to try this little beefy king right here. Look at this, guys. Here's a little close-up. This is looking very tasty. Let's take a bite. Guys, the flavors are awesome. You get that sweetness from the bread, the saltiness from the pastrami. The mix is perfect, guys. Obviously, one thing that I can't pass is putting a little bit of mayo ketchup on this, guys. So let's drop it in, boom. And here we go with some mayo ketchup. If you're in the area of Azalea Park and you want to have some awesome Puerto Rican street food, come here to ECHA Pa ACA, where you're gonna get some Puerto Rican style dumplings, and trust me, they are awesome, guys. My name is Ramon Valles for Así Comemos Aquí, live from ECHA Pa ACA dumplings, and I'm going to keep on eating, guys.
If you like this video, please hit that like button. You can also follow me on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, and Twitter, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel where you can see all of my videos. And remember guys, let's keep on eating.